Hi, I'm Chukwuka Onoroka, and I am a solutions architect focused on developing scalable solutions, scalable systems. My core focus is on microservices and cloud native systems that scale effectively infinitely in an agnostic fashion. With specifics, I build systems that can run in Kubernetes clusters that can be migrated from one cloud provider like AWS to another like Azure. And I'm focused on being able to build systems into domain agnostic microservices that allows multiple teams from different parts and different walks of life to be able to add value to the project in whatever domain they are most comfortable with, be it JavaScript, Go, PHP, or any other programming language that can be delivered in the client-server domain.
Hi, my name is Imo Iyan, and I am a software developer. I simply love to learn, and I love technology. So I learn a lot, and I adapt new technologies and even older ones to ease my life and also infuse them into the product I build. A little bit of background: I studied electrical electronics in school. And towards the end of my program, I decided I was going to switch to software development. That's how it all started, because I had done a course before in C++, which actually sold me the idea that building software was fun, and I really loved the process, and I felt that would make me a lot more happier. It would make me a lot more happier building software professionally, and then I started. For now, I have about 12 years experience in software development. Within these years, I've worked in different roles and capacity as a backend developer, as a full stack developer, and I've also built lots of experiences in system design, system architecture, and in the process, I've managed teams, small teams and relatively large teams, let's say 20 people. And I've worked with languages like Elixir, PHP, Python, Rust, and a bit of Golang. But the last 5 years, I've focused mainly within Elixir Erlang ecosystem. I've built high-performance application using Elixir Phoenix framework, and these are stable, very fault tolerant, very scalable applications that we've built and we've deployed in multiple places. And I've handled millions and millions of requests within their lifetime, and it's been fun for me. I've worked with teams, building on the microservice architecture, and we're using gRPC and protocol buffers for system-to-system communication. And also, I've designed and built, REST endpoints, GraphQL endpoints, and I've also done lots of API integrations. For me, this has been like a dream come true, because I've been able to see myself grow in terms of skills, in terms of experience. I've seen myself, impact lives time and time again and help company build and launch products as fast as it could ever happen. So this has been a joy for me. The journey has been very productive and joyful for me.
My name is Jennifer Soji. I am a web developer with over 10 years experience. I have a BSc and an MSc in computer science. I chose a career in software engineering as I loved and still love solving problems using IT. I have built robust enterprise solutions, school management systems, plugins, teams, web portals, and M&E systems. I am proficient in PHP and Python. I have worked with MySQL, Postgre, and MongoDB databases. I have experience working with frameworks like Laravel, CodeIgniter, Django. I also have experience working with scripting languages like JavaScript, Ajax, jQuery, and its framework like Node.js, React. I have experience working with e-commerce frameworks like PrestaShop, Magento 1 and 2, and OpenCat. I also have experience working with content management systems like WordPress and Joomla. I have proficiency in building web services, XML, JSON, as well as APIs in general. I have experience in server administration, Windows, Linux, command line interface, as well as network management and general IT support. I am a great communicator, a team leader and player. I can work with little or no supervision. I also love learning. Learning never stops for me. It is my dream to leave an indelible mark in the tech ecosystem with the quality of software that I build. Thank you.
My name is Odumosinto Deborah. I am a software engineer in Nigeria, although I prefer to call myself a back-end developer. I have 5 years experience developing enterprise applications using the stack PHP, JavaScript, and I also make use of the framework Hitsu framework and Laravel, and also the Node.js runtime environment. A little background check. I started developing professionally in the year 2016, and it's been one of the best decisions I have made in my life to become a software developer. Now, if I'm to go to the drive, what is my drive and why I chose software development? I would say I have 2 reasons for picking software development. One, fun fact. Being a software developer is like being a star on its own, and then being a lady software developer is you being like a star. That's on the fun base of it. But one of the reasons why I became a software developer is, one, it's a task that pushes you beyond what you think you can actually do, and that has been my drive.
Hi, my name is Tayo. I'm a software developer, and I started software development as a response to an opportunity that came up while I was back in school. Growing up, I'd always been really curious. I broke and took apart all my toys, and that curiosity basically helped me to take advantage of that opportunity. So I built a website. I learned some HTML, some Adobe Flash, and the end product was really good. And I started getting more opportunities to build software for different entities. So that curiosity has always been one of my biggest strengths. I was curious about every new technology, and I've learned, and that's helped me become a better developer. I like experimenting a lot, and that experimentation is what has basically been one of my biggest strengths. What I've done recently is basically to write more of mobile apps. I have a lot of experience building back-end apps also and web apps. Notable among them is a micro task platform for e-commerce tools like creating a video, writing copy. That was done for StockPart, and it was launched on iOS platform. There was also a business valuation tool that was done for the same company in August last year. For my future, I basically want to build communities for software developers to improve and become better. I want to become a better solutions architect. I want to be able to write more optimized code and maintain existing products with proper monitoring and analysis. Thank you.